Welcome to Canon Unbox. Today we are looking at, specifically, the Hive window and door sensor. This sensor can go onto any window or door, and it allows you to get a notification or create an action or just to see when a window is open or closed, or a door is open or closed. It's super straightforward to get. They are sold in the Hive packages or by themselves, whatever you prefer, and they're super easy to install. Each one comes with two back stickers, so you can remove them and replace them once. And on installation, you can adjust them a little bit if you do it quickly. How you install them is you would open the package up, you would separate the two, and I'll bring you over to the door here so you can see what I mean. So you would open that up, so you would install the large one on the door and the small one on the frame. This on its own is enough distance for it to sense it, so you can have quite a large amount. When you do install, just make sure that it's not green. So watch this as I open the door. It's going to flash green in here in a second. See? So that's how you can tell that you're close enough. So just make sure those lights are going green. On the app itself, you can then create items. So for example, when the door opens or closes, you can get a notification, or it can turn a light on, or it can adjust the temperature. There's countless things that you can do with it. Again, it's one of the items that's part of the Hive system, and it can be purchased individually or as part of a package. Thanks for watching Canon Unbox.